How to fix ChatGPT unusual activity error. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar. Now type ChatGPT. Now click on search. Now tap on ChatGPT and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now tap on three lines at the top left corner. Now tap on the profile and tap on personalization. Now go to memory. Now tap on manage memories. Now tap on the info icon. Now on the memory space, simply tap on delete all. Now tap on clear. Now restart ChatGPT. I hope this should fix your issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.